Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking. Today we are going to learn an amazing traditional recipe from our guest into our kitchen and our channel Home Cooking. So let's learn what it is. So आज हम क्या बनाएंगे?
आज हम बनाएंगे खट्टे मूंग। गुजराती लोगों के होते हैं ऐसे खट्टे मूंग बनाएंगे, बहुत अच्छे हेल्दी होते हैं इसके लिए। और ज्वारी बाजरी की रोटी के साथ, ज्वारी की रोटी के साथ, रोटी के साथ और राइस चावल के साथ भी आप लोग खा सकते हैं, सब लोग खा सकते हैं।
अरे वाह! तो क्या आप एक्साइटेड हो इस रेसिपी को सीखने के लिए? आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। Let's get started.
All we need is 2.5 cup of buttermilk. We need salt, we need regular masalas, we need curry leaves, chili and 4 cloves of garlic, we need basin, of course more, and a blender. Into a blender, a hand presser, I have taken 4 cloves of garlic and I will add 4 to 5 teaspoons of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder. It is not spicy at all, and if you have a regular chili powder, you can add taste according to your spiciness. I have added a slight salt to taste according to that chutney, and we will prepare a dry garlic chutney. After pressing it for approx a minute, as you can see, the garlic chutney is ready. I have pressed it very coarsely. So lovely red chutney is ready right here. Now let's take a buttermilk. Into 2.5 cup of buttermilk, I have taken 2.5 teaspoon of basin. We will mix it and give it a nice whisk until there are no lumps inside the buttermilk. This will help to thicken up our gravy while adding it into the moong curry. So this amazing recipe is very nice. You can log on to my channel to check out more recipes. Now it's time to boil our moong. I have soaked moong for approx half an hour, and then I will add 2 cups of water. In 1 cup of moong, you'll have to add 2 cups of water. After adding it water, we'll give it approx 5 to 6 whistles. So our moong are getting ready. Till then, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So as you can see, the moong are boiled and ready. This is the correct consistency we are looking for the moong. They are not mashed, they are not too much boiled, but they are equal when we stir it. So just give 5 to 6 whistles, guys, that would be enough. And if you have soaked overnight, give only 1 to 2 whistles. So now into a pan, I will add 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Into the oil, in goes our mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So after the mustard seeds splutter, in goes 1 teaspoon of jeera. Jeera will give lovely flavor, guys, do add it. After this, we'll add 1 chili. In goes our curry leaves, 10 to 12 leaves of it, and then in goes our garlic chutney. Once you add garlic chutney, we have to be very quick with the recipe as the masalas may get burnt easily. In goes our buttermilk slowly and steadily into a slow flame. Once we add the whole buttermilk, after stirring it for some time, in goes our moong, and then in goes a lovely masalas of turmeric and dhania jeera powder. After all the masalas are done, we will stir it nicely and then let it come to boil into a medium flame for next 3 to 4 minutes until the masalas is merged and the gravy is thickened up and The whiteness which you see of the buttermilk is completely combined with our curry. That will be correct time to off the flame.
हमारे खट्टे मूंग बना के रेडी हो गए हैं। आप लोग जरूर बनाइए और बना के बताना कैसे हुए। और सब लोग हमारा ये रेसिपी देख के सब्सक्राइब करो और अच्छे से।
So thank you for this amazing recipe of Khatta Moong. We'll learn lot of amazing traditional authentic recipe from her. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See